Badminton, bronze. Nakuha po nila Julius Lacron and John Matthew Francisco, double. Ang coach po niya si Hernán Tenor. Secondary, boys. Reggie J. Sanchez, 2 gold. Aris, coach Eric Reyes. And dalawang silver. Okay, tatlong silver. Then sa synchronized, Pesma Amular, Christian Yator, Ernesto Maniaco, Pesman Amular, and Paulo Vergara. Bronze po yan. Nakuha nila. Athletics, long jump. Nakuha po ni Joe Vincent Recuenco. Coach, Mrs. Elena Cuesta. Swimming, 4x15 medley relay. Peña Reyes, Lance Macawili, Anthony Brian Bation, and Carl Isik. Silver po ang nakuha nila. Coach, Emerald Reyes. Then Ranger Reyes, 100 meter breaststroke road. Badminton, double.